we're here to kanang pagdaanan lahat yan. So, why not na yung mga challenges natin, imbis na ito yung kanang kanang maging sanhi ng paglayo natin sa Kanya. So, why not na ito na lang yung gamitin nating kanang course, stepping stone ba para mas lumapit sa Kanya.
Let me ask you, since the viewers might observe that sister is using some Bisaya words, that's because she served in where is it again?
Jansan.
Jansan, where it is the Manny Pacquiao's hometown. So there they are Bisaya. But sister, I want to ask you, what are the challenges that you have faced during your mission, and how did you cope up?
Siguro yung makita yung mga ibang tao na tinuturuan namin ba na nahihirapan sila i-accept pa rin yung gospel. Nung nakauwi ako dito sa mission, na-realize ko na, ayun, may time talaga na ganun. Siguro, matcha-challenge talaga sila na parang ang hirap pa naman tanggapin yung gospel, ganun.